We talked about this last time on our podcast, but again, it's just becoming more and more prevalent is handcrafted.
Oh yeah.
Handcrafted, sorry.
Okay.
Handcrafted tiles. So we talked about the zellage tiles, which, all of those are hand formed, hand fired. I mean, it's just amazing what's within them. But outside from hand formed, you also have undulated, which undulated just means the edges of it are a little more handcrafted, but the face still might be a little
So,
smoother.
and that's where, for the installer side, it's not going to be even. Every tile is a little bit different, right?
Correct.
And then what is it? Undulated?
Undulated.
Okay. So that just means that it's not going to be a clean line.
It's not.
It's not going to be cut smooth straight across.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
All right. So how do you balance that and make sure the client is informed when it comes to that as well? Because sometimes they may
don't
think
know.
they chipped it or
Yep.
they didn't cut it even. So it's
Knowledge.
there you go.
Knowledge.
Product knowledge and letting
Yep.
them know what they're getting as well, right?
You always want to be informed. No matter what you're buying, you want to be informed about what you're eating. So why aren't you
Sure.
informed about what you're going to put in your house that's going to be there for years and years and years?
Absolutely.
As a designer, I really like to make sure that I have the knowledge I need, that
Yeah.
I can convey that to the client. However, if you're out shopping by yourself, you might not